Muthenya wa ira, Minista wa ugima wa mwingi Mutahi Kagwe hamwe na murugamiriri wa ruhonge rwa motungata ma Nairobi Mohamed Badi marasherire thibitari ya Githurai 44 Sinai Lakisama na Gikoba guthurima waki uria ukoretwo githii na mbere. Thibitari ici irakwo niguo kuheana motungata ma urigitani kuri aikari a Nairobi na kunyihia muhatikano wa arwaru thibitari-ini nene ya Kenyatta. Muoroto ari gutigirira arwaru aria maramukirwo thibitari-ini ya Kenyatta ni aria matumitwo kuuma thibitari-ini ingi tu.
It is not possible to convert Kenyatta into a referral hospital until we have completed all the hospitals that we need in Nairobi, so that people don't suffer when we close walk-in patients at Kenyatta National Hospital.
Nyingi cia thibitari cia gikiro kia level 2 na level 3 iria ikoretwo igiakwo ni tanyitwo kurikirira ica ikuhi. Thirikari ikiranira ati ihinda-ini ria mweri umwe ukite thibitari ingi ithano ni cigukorwo irikite ari hamwe na thibitari wa gikiro kia level 6 wa Mathare Nyayo.
It's good progress so far. And as soon as we commission Mathare Nyayo Hospital, which is going to be a level 6, then we can forget about Kenyatta Hospital, because Mathare Nyayo Hospital will be the referral hospital for the county.
Nairobi Metropolitan Government has done an extremely good job, and we have seen there are a few things to finish. There are a few areas to tackle. Obviously, as we can see, the wananchis are extremely happy about what is happening in Nairobi, and I just want to assure Nairobians that with the support of the county administration led by General Bandi, we are, as Ministry of Health, we are prepared to support this effort.
Waki wa thibitari ici ciothe utanyitwo kurikirira muthia-ini wa mweri wa kana. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.